In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Age of Empires 2 online with friends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to talk about all of the options that you have to play Age of Empires 2 online with friends or alone. So first, from the home screen, you will already see the two main ways. You can either go into co-op campaigns or multiplayer. Depending on which one you choose, you will have different options to select. For this video, I'm not going to go too much in detail about co-op campaigns, but the process is going to be the same, so you will be able to set up the parameters and invite your friends through the same method I'm going to display shortly. If you go to multiplayer, you can see the main modes. You have ranked, quick play, and then at the right, you can find a custom game or host a custom game yourself. For ranked, you will usually be playing against other random people because if you were able to play with your friends, then you would just be able to cheat and lose the game on purpose to increase your ranking. So for this video, I'm not going to go too much detail about ranked. I assume that most people who want to play with friends want to do it through a quick match or a custom game where you can customize all of the parameters and settings. So choose any of these. If you go to ranked, this is the menu that you will see, and you will have to meet these criteria to find a match. Like I said, this isn't the primary way to play with your friends casually, but if you go over to quick play, you will see this menu instead. You can customize the map, change the mode, see the map pool and everything, and you can invite the party. So this is the main option to invite your friends. Tap this button, you will now be able to search for their name. You can send invites to Xbox Game Pass or any other platform where you are playing on, and then send the invite. They will get a notification that they must accept inside of the game, and once they do, they will appear right over here on one of these slots. If you have a lot of people or you want to do a very custom game, you have to choose the option to host the game. So one of you will have to host the game and everyone else will join. So go to multiplayer, host game, and now you will be able to change a lot of categories. You can make the lobby visibility private, so that way only you and your friends can join. No other random people will join you as well. You can change the amount of players. If you have multiple people, you can choose to do a standard game or a co-op campaign, and then other miscellaneous options at the bottom. Once you are in the lobby, you will appear on the first slot, and you can invite other players to all of these slots here. So once again, you choose the invite option, you will see the same menu, choose the people that you want to invite, and they will be able to accept. Like I mentioned, this mode offers a lot of customization, so you will be able to change everything about the game, and I'm not going to go into super detailed instructions on what you can and should do here. I just wanted to showcase how you can get the lobby to work. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Age of Empires 2 online with friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.